suppose a suppose a parallelogram is spanned by the two vectors AB and CD. AB and CD. The area of the parallelogram, area of the parallelogram of the parallelogram formed by the vectors formed by the vectors formed by the vectors by the vectors by the vectors v1 is equal to a comma b and v2 is equal to c comma d is given by is given by determinant of a b, absolute value of the determinant of a b c d. See here, the area of the parallelogram formed by the vectors v1 is equal to a comma b and v2 is equal to c comma d is given by the absolute value of the determinant value of the determinant a b c d. Now see here, similarly, the volume of the parallelepiped, the volume of the parallelepiped, volume of the parallelepiped of the parallelepiped volume of the parallelepiped bounded by the vectors v1 v2 v3 bounded by the vectors bounded by the vectors by the vectors by the vectors v1 v2 v3 v1 v2 and v3 v3 is given by a1 b1 c1 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 determinant of a2 b2 c2 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 where a1 comma a where v1 is equal to a1 comma v1 comma c1 v2 is equal to a2 comma b2 comma c2 and v3 is equal to a3 comma b3 comma c3. Now here some find the problem. Let us solve the problem. Find the area of tetrahedron. Find the area of tetrahedron. Area of tetrahedron. Area of tetrahedron. 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 Area of tetrahedron formed by 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, and 6, 4, 8. Here, let the points are A, B, C, D race. Here, here volume of the tetrahedron. Volume of the tetrahedron. Let A is equal to 1, 1, 3. B is equal to 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. C is equal to 5, 2, 7. 5, 2, 7. D is equal to 6, 4, 8. D is equal to 4, 6, 8. Now vector AB. Vector AB is equal to vector B minus A. B minus A is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, comma 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, comma and 2, 5. 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. This is the vector AB. Now vector AC. Vector AC is equal to C minus A. Now C is equal to 5 minus 1, 4, comma 2 minus 1, 1, comma 7 minus 3, 4. This is the vector AC. Similarly, vector AD is equal to D minus A is equal to 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5. Therefore, the area of tetrahedron. Area of tetrahedron. Find the area of tetrahedron. Area of tetrahedron is equal to is equal to 1 by 4 determinant of 3, 2 minus 1. Determinant of 3, 2 minus 1 first column, then 4, 1, 4, 4, 1, 4, then 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5 is equal to mod of is equal to mod of minus 7 is equal to 7. This is the area of tetrahedron. Now here, the question is check whether the following vectors. Now to check that the vectors 2i minus j plus k, 2i minus j plus k, 1 plus 2i, 1 plus 2i minus 3k, minus 3k, 3i minus 4j plus 5k, 3i minus 4j plus 5k plus 5k form a parallelepiped, form a parallelepiped. In order to check that the given triplet of vector form a parallelepiped, we consider the determinant of the component number, their component, and if this determinant is equal to 0, then it cannot form parallelepiped, and if determinant is not equal to 0, it can form parallelepiped. बस